morning and welcome, my dear friends. This is Raja with you. Thank you very much for your support. I welcome you to my channel Online Regular Income. My dear friends, hope you are watching all my videos in my channel. This is about myleadgensecret.com. Friends, today I'm going to just tell you about how we can generate traffic from social medias. Okay, my dear friends, you may be well aware about social medias. Okay, nowadays all the business will be built up in social medias. There are a lot of amounts of money they are spending on social media to get business leads, sales, etc. Okay, my dear friends, here for the online business, for promoting online business, for earning a lot of amount in online business, social media is must, my dear friends. So we are going to discuss about the traffic. How can we generate through social medias? What are all the medias are coming inside? Okay, and approximately how much money we can spend on that? Free method, paid method, etc. We can go through that. Okay. So before that, just go through our channel Online Regular Income. See all the videos. Do subscribe and give any commands. My email ID is there. Anything you want, you can write something. There is affiliate joining link also there. You can click and go to the website, join, etc. Thank you for your subscription. Okay, my dear. Yeah. So this is the best platform in the social media. Facebook, my dear friends. Facebook, you may be aware, 80% of the business traffic, sales, leads are from Facebook. Because not only Facebook having this posting it all, lot of groups all also there inside. That is a powerful market. A lot of people are earning only through posting their sales link, affiliate link, offers, everything inside the groups. Very good sales. Lot of people, 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh members are there each and every group. They are immediately look into the matter, clicking on the link, and so people like you and me getting sales because of the Facebook. It's a powerful method. If you don't have the account, please immediately create an account and start business. It's very easy to handle this Facebook at all. Okay, so this is the number one traffic method, Facebook. Here, open an account. What account? Create an account, business account, and do all the work. Slowly, you will every day you go inside and come back. You will come to know how to operate this system. Okay, so inside this Facebook, you can pay some amount and do paid advertising. Automatically, it will go to the appropriate person which suits your offer. Okay, your offer, whatever the affiliate link or sales link, anything you are promoting inside through paid ad, exactly it will reach to the people and you will get the sales. Really. Okay, so please don't forget about this Facebook. If you have not yet started this, please start it. Use it now. Now we'll go to the next one. This is my channel, Online Regular Income. Online Regular Income is my channel. It's a new channel. Recently just opened for this My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, I want to promote. So I created all the platforms and you start using. Okay, my dear friends. See, if you don't have YouTube channel, try to create and use. It will take 3 to 4 months to develop, but within 5 minutes you can create the YouTube channel, but it will take some time to develop. Okay, so you have to do a lot of formalities, a lot of techniques, a lot of settings, so that YouTube will grow. Okay, but posting YouTube videos in the YouTube, it will bring customers, traffic from many sources, my dear guys. Okay, now we'll go to the Twitter, it's easy to handle Twitter. Here also you can post a lot of your postings. Here also people will come in group, bunch, tons of people. They will come and join. You have to continuously work inside this platform so that you'll get it. Now go to the Instagram. Instagram is a very good platform. It's easy to operate. Here also a lot of followers will be there. You go and search, post wherever it's required. Work. Then you will get clients slowly. Now LinkedIn is also there. Okay, here also you can get bunch of people like Facebook group and all. You can get it here also. Okay, paid method, free method is there. You can use it. You'll get a lot of benefits. Now Pinterest, mostly female domination. 80% of the occupiers are females. Okay, any type of cosmetics or healthcare or yoga or kitchens, masalas, etc., ornaments, any type of sales you can do inside. You'll 100% success. Okay, now Greek list. You may be aware Greek list. Greek list is also a very good platform, free method and pay method. You do some advertising, you will get a lot of leads and sales. Okay, so I prepared a list, my dear friends. I prepared a list. Okay, just go through that. How to bring traffic to our affiliate or promotional link. Affiliate, you can work for affiliate link or any promotion link, or you are selling your own products, or you do some anything. You are going to send a link only, or a text message, or a banner, anything. Okay, so the following websites, portals, platforms are being used. Okay, there is a lot of sources are there in the internet. I am giving you few of them. Facebook, just now explained. Facebook, this is only posting your affiliate link in the Facebook with an image with few contents. I put a video. You can see that. Okay, Facebook, posting your affiliate sales link in all Facebook groups by manually or by auto poster with a good designed image with link. Then again, Facebook, organize a Facebook paid ad to your promotion link. Okay, so these are all the work will be done. Spend some more money so you will get business automatically. You will be popular. A lot of people will come and join under you. Okay, continuously morning and evening, post. The video posting, video, lot of ready-made available videos is there. Okay, or you can create your own video through mobile or camera, whatever it is. Shoot a video in your mobile or phone and post it into YouTube channel. Okay, as well as Daily Motion, there is a website for posting videos. Howfinity, there is a website posting videos. Reddit, there is a website to post marketing. Okay, promote your videos. These are all the platforms that you can promote your videos. So you will get a traffic. Yeah. Now, again, next, Google Ads. Google is a very big, like ocean. Okay, here free paid methods are available. Free and paid methods. Try to do it. Try. I can't explain each and everything here because it will take 2-3 hours. Okay, I told you about Craigslist posting, free paid method. Okay. Then solo ads is now very good business booster. Solo ads. What is solo ads? Okay, some people, most of the people are aware about Udemy. Udemy is coming inside solo ads. Solo ads means some people, they are the advertisers. They have some leads. They have some customers who are ready to buy anything. Like that, they have with them. Okay. So what we will do, what we have to do, we say they charge some amount. Okay, on a click per click basis. Okay, like that. Okay. So we have to give our contents or links or promotional link, whatever it is, give to them. They will do rest of work. They themselves send to all of their members inside of their portal. Okay. So whoever clicking the link, we will be charged. Otherwise, no. So there also, it is because the leads are valuable. So we will get business. We will get definitely sales through solo ads. So Udemy, if you go to www.udemy.com, there are a lot of people. You can see the testimonials of each of them. Then you can select regarding the solo ad, how to use solo ads, which one is the best solo ad. You can go, you can search videos available. You can see accordingly. You go and find out the people and pay them and get business traffic. Next, number 8, safe list, mailing on monthly basis. My dear guys, safe list you go and put a word safe list in the menu. Searching bar of YouTube. You can get a lot of videos about safe list. Lot of portals are there. Here now, what will happen? This website owners, the website, it's a platform owners. They invite a lot of business seekers. Okay, like my lead gen secret. Invite and keep it inside. Okay, and what they will do? They will charge from me and you monthly $20 or $30. Okay, and after collecting this amount for 1 month, like subscription, 1 month, for example, $25 for using only 1 full month. Okay, inside of this website, 30 to 40 to 50 to 60, 70, 80 members are there, buyers or customers, any type of customers maybe. Okay, they charge some amount and they will provide a platform to use, like my lead gen secret, like in a password and user ID. Okay, whenever we want to, every day, morning and evening, we can send mails to them, or some people they allow only one time. No problem. We prepare the mail or the contents or the body of the message with our promotional offer, sales offer, affiliate offer, etc., etc., etc. Whatever the contents regarding donation or anything you want to convey them. This is just conveying a particular message or business to a group of people inside this safe list. But it's a chargeable base. 1 month we can use, morning and evening. So today you are sending one offer to them. Okay, 80,000 people are inside this safe list. You paid $25 per month. Okay, out of 80,000 people, at least 3,000-4,000 people will open and see, and at least 100 people will click. At least 7-8 people will sign up. So you got the you got the success today. Okay, today. Tomorrow you have some other offer, some other any promotion or any charity or donation, whatever it is. You are preparing the mail and sending to them on the same platform. So tomorrow again 30-40 people are there, like a Facebook group. Out of that, 3,000-4,000 people are just opening the email. 100 people are clicking the link and go to the website and see whatever blah blah blah. Then finally 7-8, approximately 10 people may sign up on your offer and you will get benefited. This is the concept, my dear friends, on solo ads. A lot of people are providing this service on per click basis. You can go to udemy.com, you can find out. I told you about the safe list. Now I explain. Classified site, lot of posting, free. You can post your any advertisement, classified and promotion, links, everything you can post. So free classified portal. You can put a search, Google and YouTube. You can find out a lot of lists. You just work on that. Go and do the registration and automatically post your valuable any promotional links and you will get benefited. Okay, that is it. So push button ads. It is a trending one nowadays. People are spending a lot of amount on push button ads. Okay, so you can find out this also. It's a leading average per month in this platform. Mostly this is a news related websites. There each and every month more than 1 lakh of people, 2 lakh, 3 lakh people will come and go. In this website they will put our business promotional link, affiliate link, whatever the link they will put place in a particular place. So here every month a lot of people are coming and going outside. They may see your affiliate link, sales promotion link, and they may click. It will come. They will come and reach to your YouTube channel or your Facebook account or anything. You will get sale. You will get benefited. Okay. WhatsApp sending. WhatsApp. You should arrange some WhatsApp number and you have to do WhatsApp sending. email campaign service, bulk email. Lot of people are doing bulk email service, bulk email sending service. Okay, so in the Fiverr also you can see that there are a lot of people are bulk email campaign they are doing. That approximately, for example, they may have a database of any country. Okay, you have to pay some $5, $10, something like that. They tell you the quantity, how many email they can send in how many days. Okay, so there also we can spend some more money and boost and promote our business. We can bring traffic sources through that source also. Okay, that is email campaign. In SMS campaign, if you get a lot of numbers with you, there is a free software available for sending SMS. You can send that also. At least you will get some traffic through SMS sending. Okay, then postcard mailing. A lot of places, they print a postcard with a mentioning something like that, and they will post it directly to their address. Okay, yeah. So from there also you will get some people. The voicemail service, it's available. This is also a trending one nowadays. Through automatically to particular mobile number, the voice will go and inform about the business. So through that particular voicemails also we will get some traffic. Then Pinterest posting, Instagram posting, LinkedIn posting, already explained. Fiverr. Regarding Fiverr, in Fiverr, if you go inside of the Fiverr, you can get whatever you want. See, for each and everything people are there, they give the service to you. You pay some money. That's all. It's a fantastic low budget place for Fiverr. Then Bing ads. Yes, my dear guys, Bing ads is a good place. See, I was just giving, very, very, very few items. Lot more items are there. You please subscribe me, sign up me. So after that, I will send all the things to you. I am ready to help you because when I am thorough, I want to teach my team. Okay, most of the business are getting failure because they don't know much. Nobody is there to teach them because they themselves learning by watching some videos and everything. So 50 to 60% only they learn the particular project or particular platform and the business concept. Okay, that is the thing, they are unable to perform well and get success. Now I want to teach you, I want to clear you all the doubts, and you do strongly once you learn, because this is lifelong. You can use it. Every month we are getting, every month we are paying $30, and every month we are getting residual income, every month we are getting affiliate income, every month we are getting performance bonus, like superstar bonus. Every month we are getting swipe bonus, like that we are getting. Every month we are getting 200 leads every day. So calculate for 1 year how much leads we are getting. Those UOC leads, not from Asian countries, Tier 1 company, Tier 1 country. So by using those leads also we can promote some other business in future. Okay, my dear friends, I was very much interested to talk to you. Please listen. Please, I am requesting you. Okay, whoever may be, wherever you may be, business is really good. This is a good platform with good